How to configure network for machines through mobile phones. Connect the power cord, turn on the emergency stop button, and start the machine. Open Settings, WLAN, find Wainlux X1, enter the default password 12345678, and click to connect. Open the app and tap the connect icon. Enter the default IP, 192.168.0.1, click Connect. Click Back, click on the settings icon, click on Wi-Fi settings. Enter your Home 24G network name and password, click Confirm. Exit the software and restart the machine. Open Settings, WLAN, find the Home 24G Wi-Fi and enter the corresponding password, and click to connect. Open the app and tap the connect icon, click to search IP. Click on the new IP, click on Connect.